From the moment those first brave flights broke free from the Earth, the air was a realm that few could know or experience. For generations, the skies were crossed only by the explorers, the adventurous, those free spirits who reach for something more. But then, the skies were conquered again, this time by people who saw even farther, over the horizon, beyond perceived limitations, into the future. They are the visionaries, the boundless passion, the unquenchable curiosity, the incomparable precision. They open the doors to innovation. They open minds to new possibilities. They open the skies to others just like them. The leaders, the achievers, the pathfinders. Never satisfied, always reaching. And in the end, we see the desires are connected, the goals are shared, to create even more moments for indelible memories and greater accomplishments. To find freedom and convenience only imagined. To expand our awareness and our appreciation of life's rewards. To journey to places only your dreams have seen. To go where you've never been before.